Hey guys, it's your boy TRA Prophet, and I just want to talk about the great time I was shown in New York. And it's probably cliche to say that, like, oh, this place welcomed me with open arms, no hesitations, no whatever. Well, not today, but obviously, I went to Long Island, New York for the span of 4 days, just chilling with family. And one of those days, I got to go out to Strikeforce Sports in Deer Park, New York. And let me tell you right now, that field was incredible. The people there were astounding. The refs, the players, just the whole atmosphere was amazing. The building, phenomenal. Just everything about that place just radiated kindness. The owners, like, sat down. We had a full-on conversation talking about times that I could bring my entire team up to New York free of charge, play for like 2 weekends for free, absolutely no cost, because they liked, like, I guess they said the Georgia way of play style, or they just liked the hospitality that seemed to come from other states or other regions. And it was just an amazing time for me. Unfortunately, I didn't have any of my guns. I just had my GoPro. I had my battle shirt, my joggers, my favorite pair of running shoes, and my dye. And then my cousin, thank God, let me borrow one of his guns. And then I also got to use my other cousin's Polar Star. I'll tag them down and below. Go follow them on social media. But no, for real, like, this was just such a great experience, and I'm happy that I'm able to share one of the greatest Airsoft adventures in my life with you guys, because this was great. Like, Radiant Airsoft, great thing. Elite Ops, great thing. Just the fact that the niceness, the kindness, and the greatness of the sport was extended and given to me in another area of the world where nobody knew me, but everybody was so friendly. And just the gameplay, there was zero toxic players, zero. Like, that was, I don't know. Like, again, thanks, a huge shout out to Strikeforce Sports for being so kind to me and just everything they did for me while I was there. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.
Move. Move. Hey. Like. Yo, get. Huh? Oh, no. Oh, wait, he's coming back on. None of those guys just called that. Okay. Hold on. Hey. Ooh. Yo, friendly! Thank you. Oh, there's one. Yeah, that's probably smart. Go. Hey. Hey.
Nice pistol. What kind is that?
It's an AW custom
Nice.
with upgrades and stuff.
Nice. I don't really know what that is.
Just look it up on e-bike.
Can you like pull over that quick?
Yeah. Hey.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Oh, I wiped out. Oh, I got that on video too. Oh, my safety's on.
Dude, your airline plugged. Your air horn's unplugged.
Oh my god. Oh, yo, look at this. Yo, cover me. Cover me.
Go on, go.
Ah. Yo, you put my airline back in? Oh, that's on video too. I fucking wiped out over here.
Hold my gun, my gun.
Jaden, oh, fuck.